See that one, yeah? I want a special request to all ganja man, them straight. See it? So from me love the good sense of media, the marijuana. Man a ganja man, I don't give a damn cause herb the healing of the nation. Man a ganja man, I don't give a damn cause found on the grave of King Solomon. Me link me chalice, me no pass it to no stranger, but me give it to me brethren Tama. Then me build a draw with a little of the grabber. Run down a bar and go hold to Baba. You coulda use Rizla or your brown paper. You use contrash or your gunshot. What them? Say cigarette coulda cause cancer. Them also say coulda cause asthma, but me know ganja only make you better. It used by the nurse, also the doctor. It used by police and no soldier. Tell you spend money wrong the high throat tower. Special request to all ganja smoker. Special request to all bush doctor. The government will legalize ganja. The government will legalize ganja. A cigarette that a poison. No, call it weed that a medicine. A cigarette that a poison. No, call it weed that a medicine. Yeah, hear me? Me say no opium, no heroin, no one no crack, neither cocaine, no one no injection in a me vein. No sir. A cigarette that a poison. No, call it weed that a medicine. A cigarette that a poison. No, call it weed that a medicine. You coulda use Rizla or your brown paper. You use contrash or your bunch and what them. Say cigarette coulda cause cancer. Them also say coulda cause asthma, but me know ganja only make you better. It used by the nurse, also the doctor. It used by police and love soldier. Tell you Miss Havana wrong the high throat tower. Special request to all ganja smoker. Special request to all bush doctor. The government will legalize ganja. 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 Cigarette that a poison. No, call it weed that a medicine. Cigarette that a poison. Middling, call it weed that a medicine. When me sing, no opium, no heroin, no one no crack, neither cocaine, no one no injection